Hello guys, today y'all will know this game, it's popular right now. We're playing what's his name again? Animal Hospital Animal Anomaly. Okay, now I actually need a team. Oh hell no. Oh yeah, there's a team. Like, we will go together. Oh man, I need someone else. Oh no, Mashayla. y'all can, please guys, please guys, I need this. I am kinda lonely. Then I can enjoy. Can I even join? No, I think I can. Let me try actually to unlock. Bro, go! Why can't I? Bro, I need to do this fast. What? Yo, just like me, bro, just like me. We have shift 5 as well. Woohoo! We can do it together. Duo, one of us going to do this, one of us going to do this. Until you find out what's really happening. Oh my god, this is so scary, guys. I'm about to poop my pants. So scary. By the way, I'm not the type of YouTuber that yells a lot, but you can say my personalities are like shady. My personalities are like shady. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, we best friends forever. The first shift, there's no anomalies. I don't care. Just. By the way, my friend actually, we were playing this game yesterday, and she gave me a tip. If we go in them and we see a mouth, they're an anomaly. If there wasn't a mouth, there ain't an anomaly. Or actually, you stay there and I'll go help them. Which room? Room 1 always need herbs. Room 2 always need eye drops. Just saying. No, I will actually close the door. Yes. Just right here. Oh, nah. To make him. What the? Shut up. Summer cake. Herbs. Look, 1, 2, 3. See, I told you. I'm smart. Oh my god, no. I'm lagging. I'm like... Where's the other one? Here he is. Here he is. Now come, please. Oh, nah. Oh, here's the poster. Oh. Lagging. Yeah, ow. That's how did you see? Are you lesbian? 1, 2, 3. Die. You need eye drops, my guy. You need eye drops. I finished. Oh yeah. Yeah, we already did. Oh, excellent. We got excellent. The first one must be an anomaly. Yeah, hell no, it is an anomaly. I don't care if you're not. I don't care if I do not care. Bro. What? No service. Yes, I don't care. I don't care. Okay, rude. Here with me up. Okay, let's go to room 3, my guy. Okay, he's slow. Hey, I need one for the guy. Can do it. I'm smart. I can do it. I'm smart. Guys, no cap. I'm actually smart. I'm a professional. That's why I have nurse class. Because I'm a professional. Tell me when he's here. Try and Bruce's health kit. Ratu, what are you doing here? Evil rat. Where your sister, Ratu? Where your sister? Never do that again. By the way, room 1 always takes. Okay. It's taking a long time. Headache. What do I need? Medicine. It's green. Like poop. Even if I try to say it, I'll die. Where's the other one? The top. The top. Okay, ow. I'm just gonna, am I the only one or does he sound so? Oh my god, this is taking a long time. 5%. Actually, bleeding. What did I need again? Oh yeah, he's bleeding and has dry eyes. Okay, what do y'all think the worst and the easiest anomaly? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, I just remembered the unlock. Oh my god, just close it. We already know a banging on this. So just leave. No. Brother, why? Stupid, looking up, dude. Now just go. Run. If you talk once again, I will kill it. Why does he have that here? I just realized he has a Roblox here. Now go, what room? Room 5. By the way, what do you have? Nothing I can buy. I'm broke. Now that. Hey. But if someone died, I will put him in the trash. Feeling unwell? We are on it. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Whoa, what a good post. And the coffee. Bom shagala shega. Bom shagala shega. Bom shagala shega. Canadian? What does it mean? Canadian. Look, Canadian and Russian bleeding. So he's Canadian, so he needs maple syrup. And he has a rat, so he needs this. I forgot its name. And he's bleeding. So he needs another white thing. You get the boring one, okay? I do not care. Okay, I am done with you. I saw one go there. Oh, room 6. That's an anomaly. I'll be. Oh no, not room 8. That's the worst room. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Why is he here? Okay. Look. I have. Don't look up. I know I want. What is he, Canadian as well? Okay, not gonna. No sugar needs maple syrup. And why is there setting off fireworks? Okay, we ended that. Now, roommate. I've experienced this, so yeah, I think I'm cooked. Even here? Why is he here? I'm gonna give him the IV drops. This starts now. Oh hell no. Oh my god! If he dies, I don't care. I'm gonna throw him in the trash. Another minute. There's a lot of shit. Bro, oh, I want to look even. I want to look over. That was actually so crazy. By the way, does someone need coffee? Oh my god. Actually, oh, sorry. Woo! What's up? What's up, bitch? I think he has a broken leg or bone. I don't care. I don't care, man. I'm just cosplaying. Okay, I think I'll need to leave. Sorry, I won't be able to help you, patient. But if you like the video, like and subscribe, and please, and thank you for that. And bye, guys.